Dying.
Get it up.
Alrighty, so I thought I would do an unboxing video because I just got my Amazon purchase of a ring light. Woo! So this is a little prezzy from the man behind the camera to help out with, yeah, auditioning and YouTube and all that kind of stuff. And who doesn't have a ring light these days, am I right?
Professional.
I'm so professional. So actually unboxing it is going to be the hardest thing for me. Okay. Alright, so this is what it looks like. I feel like it looks like there's nothing here. Cool, we got some
Couple.
this, oh, it's recyclable, I think. Well, that's good. I hate plastic that's not recyclable. It's a nightmare. Alrighty, so that's it's like.
Loving it.
Okay, I'll move that out of the way. So this is literally all that's in here. So I'm gonna hope that that's. I'm scared. Okay. Some duct tape here and there. I've done a great job. I think this is from Canada or maybe the US. What, can you remember?
I feel like it's from overseas, but I could be wrong.
I don't
It's
want
like a
to.
U-light or...
I don't want to ruin it, so that's why I'm being a bit delicate.
Right.
Oh, okay.
I think it rips pretty
All right. So there's packaging underneath.
Yeah, there's
I
packaging.
wasn't sure.
Yeah,
Okay. Oh, okay, cute. I see you. Alrighty. So first one we have
The Peyou.
Peyou. Peyou. Lol. The tripod and anything in there? No. And the ring light. Ring light.
Ring
So
fill.
ring fill light.
That's the two. All right.
Amazing. Great. Maybe I should do tripod first. I'll do tripod first.
Let's do tripod first. Because I think the tripod and then the
so
ring.
That's little specs on the
What it
side
comes
looks.
with.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Perfect. And I'm not great with. Oh, it's got a little bag. Love this. Very professional.
Yeah, a little travel bag.
Smells like new. You like that new smell?
Yeah, the plastic smell.
Plastic. More plastic. This is cute though. Love
Yep.
a little bag.
And go to the park or
Go to
wherever
the
you're.
park. Yeah.
locations.
Oh, this is cute.
And then you can use
Nice
that
color.
as just a camera tripod, I feel like.
In there. Yeah. That's true. You're needing a tripod. Oh my god.
Coming out the bottom. You didn't need to open it.
Okay. Alright, so you take it out and it's literally all together. Thank
Yeah.
God. I was like, do you have to screw anything together? No. Alrighty. Okay. Should we take this over here? And that's it. Bye everyone.
I think the legs extend, so you pull it out.
Oh, it's like mini.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it goes up to like
Set it.
58 centimeters, I think it's, or 58.
Send it the whole way. Is that? Okay, the legs are pretty spindly, to be completely honest with you. I thought they would be like, oh, this goes up too. Should we swap? Or have you got some light? Is that
No, I got some light.
Alrighty. Okay, so yeah, they're like spider's legs. They're very
It's portable.
yes. Good word. Portable. Oh, okay, that still wants to go up. I need to stop doing that. So I'm just clicking these all down. Alrighty, and then this goes all that way.
Yeah. And then just to give some perspective.
I'm just over 5'6". I'm just under, yeah, around 5'6", 5'7" in terms of my height. I'm just screwing it in.
Boy,
Alrighty, well, she's not very handy, alright?
we'll get there.
I don't know.
Let's
Is
take a
that
look.
working?
Let's
But
zoom
let's
in
just
there.
come on in, alright?
Oh yeah, here, do you
Do you
want to
want
take
me to-
this? Yeah. Give her, and you just
Okay.
gotta keep it going.
Do a
At that
close
point.
up.
Alright.
Alrighty. Cute. So that's Just gonna get some good lighting on that.
It's 1270 millimeters.
Okay, I don't know what that's. Okay, focus. There we go. So that's, you can chuck your camera straight on there, which is great.
It's got the
little
bubble.
level. The bubble.
The bubble.
So the level. And yeah, I like the color. It's cute. And it's sort of like this matte kind of copper.
Brown.
Brown? It's not brown. I don't know what I would call that color. Comment below. What would you call that color? Anyway, do you want to be back on camera?
I'll go on camera duty.
Okay. So this
Touched.
is...
Oh god, I almost died.
You remove the table out of it. Don't need that.
It's true.
Let's check all that away.
1 sec.
Oh. Oh.
Oh boy.
Okay. Alrighty, so I'm taking out the ring light now. A few things already fell out of the container, which is fine. So there's a little plastic
For your
thing
camera.
for the camera. I don't know what it's called. And that's for iPhone or a phone, I'm guessing.
Is extendable?
No.
No.
And that's the ring light. And that's a little
The
Bluetooth.
remote?
So you can like take a photo of
Yeah, because I think it's 3 settings. It's white, yellow, and then just yellow.
Oh gosh.
So I think all you have to do is spin that onto that.
Spin that onto that.
Yeah.
And what's this?
That
This is for the
spins
camera.
onto here.
Oh, okay.
And then it just gets a bit more height so the camera will be able to spin onto that.
Okay. Alrighty, do you want to get a...
Yes.
Okay, so I'm just spinning this on like that, so it's nice and snug. And then my camera's going to sit up on top of that.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's this little thing to, I'm guessing just goes into a
USB,
USB
block.
block. I don't know if that's to...
That's the power there.
Okay. Well, I'm going to grab the camera and then it's going to put it on here.
There.
Okay. Amazing.
Trying to make sure the wire isn't
Okay.
everywhere.
So in a second, I'm going to go onto my iPhone
I would suggest.
and then I'll show you what it looks like with this camera on top of it. So I'm just using a Canon G7X PowerShot Mark II, to be precise, as my vlogging camera. So I'll swap cameras really soon so we can see what it looks like with my camera on it.
All right.
Amazing. And we'll find a USB cord. Amazing. Yes, ring light. Alrighty. Okay. So Elliot is spinning my camera around. I'll watch the...
I'm trying.
So I'm going to hold it.
No, it's fine.
You good? Alrighty, so just seeing how that goes.
All right, then I think you can twist it.
Ah, okay.
So we're all good.
Sweet.
Put that to the back, so it's not blocking it.
Nice.
And then looks all level.
Level. That's my little camera with the ring light around it. So that sits really well within the ring light. That's, I don't know, a couple of inches above and below.
2.5 inches.
Yeah, beautiful. So now let's do the final result of seeing what it looks like from the camera's perspective. Okay, so I haven't put my camera in as of yet, but I just wanted to show you guys the setup. So again, I'm 5'6", 5'7", and that's the height of, that's like the full height of the ring light. I was like, it is. So let's look at the settings. So I'm gonna turn on. Ooh.
It's nice.
Oh, okay. Nice. What does this do? Nothing. That? Oh, okay. And that's kind of orange light.
It's half and half.
Half and half. Blue.
Full white.
Cool. So it has 3 settings. So white, yellow or orange, I guess, and then half and half. And that's the button there if you wanted to like come down.
Yeah.
So it's that little button there that's changing it,
And
which is like a little
up and down thing?
I guess that's just the brightness of it.
Oh,
so
yeah.
let's have a look.
It might be
Set
all
it
the way up.
down.
It's hard
That's
to
all the way
tell,
up.
but
Okay. Sweet. And that's just the on off. Okay, well obviously it's it's daytime, so I just shut all the blinds to see how it looks. Elliot, do you wanna do the settings?
sure.
Alrighty. So that's white, orange, and half. Woo! Amazing. Now let's screw in my camera and see how easy that is. Yeah, the hardest would be to try and have your setup perfect and then film. And also like it's quite hard to reach because I have it plugged into the wall right now. So I would have it plugged into a computer or something that's a bit closer to me in terms of the USB cable. But yeah, that's the different lighting. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of the ring light and if you're interested in purchasing it or anything like that. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it came out, and it's exactly what I need for, I guess, the level that I'm at, and like a budget ring light. What's better? Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys the different settings of the camera. Obviously it's light outside and we've shut the blinds, so it's not as dark as it could be, but I will just show you. And all right, so that's the brightest, so that's the half and half. That's the white, and that's the orange. So they're the 3 different settings. As you can see, that's the brightest that they can go, and that's the dimmest. So I think there is a good range of like, I don't know, bright to dim, and it's great for beginners. I think like you don't need something super, I don't know, high tech if you're just starting out on YouTube or doing self-tapes for auditions and things like that. And this is just to show you that the cord's plugged into the wall a lot closer to me, so I could just do it myself if no one's home to help me film. But yeah, I think it's a really like a nice setup with a tripod and ring light. It's kind of like a 2-for-1. It has a level, has a little bobble head for that you can screw into your own camera. So yeah, I think it's worth the price. And yeah, I'll link all the details below of the ring light if you want to grab yourself one. But yeah, thank you so much for watching my unboxing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Did I think your smile would bloom in summer days?